Right people, Andy here, all about bushcraft. If you watched my last video, I went out and did an overnighter. Woke up the next morning really sore because the air mattress went totally flat on me, flat as a pancake. Came home, tried to find the leak, I couldn't find it. So I binned it, I thought I haven't got time for this. I just went on Amazon and bought a new air mattress, which was this one. It's called the Deeply, I think I'm pronouncing that right. Apparently it's one of their best sellers. I've had it out in the kitchen, blew it up, took a lot of effort to blow it up, not because of the air mattress, because of my age, I suppose. And yeah, it seems brilliant, a lot better quality, a lot thicker. It does weigh, and I wrote on the bottom here, 696 grams, which I think is £2, something like that. Feels like that. Yeah, so the quality of it seems thicker. It's got a built-in pillow, which is really handy, so you don't have to take extra pillow with you. And then I was watching another YouTuber called, I think it was called Muddy Paws, and he bought a bit of kit that might help me out without me having to blow this up. So I ordered this. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't tried it out. Let's do that now. It can stay in that. Yeah, and it's this, the tiny pump. Now, I don't know if it's going to be any good, I don't know if it'll blow this up. Apparently, they can blow up 10 air mattresses on a full charge. I've wrote the specs down there. The flow rate is 180 litres a minute, run time 15 minutes on that, and the batteries are 1300 milliamp battery. So let's have a look. Yeah, so you get tiny pump guide, which I think it basically speaks for itself. It's got some.
It's 23 hours.
Always happens. Yeah, it's got some instructions there with different coloured lights to tell you what the battery's like. You get a USB-C charging cable. You get a little bag to put it all in. There's something inside there actually. Okay, another nozzle. Get that. You get that nozzle. Obviously these are to blow up different types of equipment. They've obviously thought of everything. Yep. And then you get the pump, and it really is a tiny pump. Yeah. Not don't look that impressive. I'll charge this, and I can't think twice. so that blows things up, and also apparently you can put a connector on like that. I think it's that one. Yep. Connect it to the airbed, and that will suck the air out instead of blowing the air in, which is really handy. So let's give it a go. It looks a bit too tiny to actually. I'm not going to criticise what I know, but yeah, let's get this air mat out. I think we should just about have enough room in here to inflate it. Let's see what happens. So let's get this out. That goes in there. Well, that was quick and easy. That's the pillow side of it. Right, what I'm going to do with this next bit, we're a bit cramped in here, but my wife and the kids are up in the house, so we're confined to the shed, I'm afraid. Tell you what, let's put this on here. That's working. Oh wow. I'm going to stop it there. That wasn't even a minute. I think we might have to give it a few extra revs. Oh my god, not that many. Wow, how impressed am I? Under a minute, and I'm not even out of breath. That is amazing. Wow. All that from that. You're having a laugh. It's got a little USB-C charger on there. Like I showed you, came with a cable. You can set it going and just, well, I say leave it. Why would you leave it? It only takes a minute. That is impressive. And they reckon it'll blow up 10 airbeds. I think it'll blow up a lot more than that. I reckon you're going to get about 15 airbeds if it'll last. The run time on these is what they say, 15 minutes. So, yeah, I am more than impressed with that. And the mattress itself, it feels just a lot thicker than the old one. I mean, even just pressing against that now, you can feel the pressure. Yeah, that is amazing. I am blown away by that. Fantastic bit of kit. I'm going to put this on charge just to get it fully charged, because tomorrow I want to try that inflatable kayak. It's quite a beast of a kayak. It's a two-seater kayak. I'll show you that tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. Press the notification button. I'm sure you all know how to do it anyway. I'm not going to teach you how to suck eggs, as they say. So yeah, I'm blown away by this. thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow when we try and blow up that kayak with this little thing. It'd be fun to watch. See you later. Wow. Right guys, we're up at the house now. Brought the beast of the canoe up here with us. Let's get this set up. This is a pump that comes with it. I have inflated this once. It didn't take a lot to blow it up. These are the seats that go in it. There they go. Basically like that, and strapping. There's one. There's two. And this is a beast. Intex. Can't wait to get this out and try it on the open water. Right, let's unfold it. You have to blow this up in sequence. So you can see the size of it. Let's see if instead of using this, I can use this. Interesting to see. Right, let me find the nozzle and then I'll bring you back in a second. So guys, found the right nozzle for this now. Connect that onto there. Plug that in there. Now, let's give it a whirl and see if it works. So, I'll let it inflate and I'll bring you back. Either it'll be fully inflated or it would have run out of power. Well, there you have it guys. Blew up that kayak, took about 10 minutes to blow it up. Does need a bit more pressure, the pump's a little bit warm, but what do you expect from that amazing little character? I wouldn't blow up a canoe with it, it is a bit demanding, but it's just to show really how powerful this thing is. That, chuck it in your bag, forget about it. You go camping for a couple of days, that'll easily blow up your airbed every single night. Just showed it with this kayak. It takes a lot of air to blow that up. And like I say, some bits I have to blow up by mouth anyway, because they haven't got the one-way valve on them, so you've got to sort of quickly get the valve in. But the main boat, that would float. like I say, I would take the pump with me. The pump that comes with it. If you think this, there's a pump to blow it up. Yeah, you've got to admit that's amazing. You've got to give that a thumbs up. Can't wait to get out and try this. I'm biting at the bit to get out and try it on some open water somewhere. Go out for the day. I'm just waiting for the weather to change a little bit because it's well too cold at the moment. A bit windy. But yeah, that'll be another video. I'm hoping to get out somewhere. I'm going to test it out first for a day, and then I'm going to try and get somewhere like, I don't know, Lake Windermere or somewhere like that, Coniston Water, and get this out there with some camping kit, do a paddle, do an overnighter in the boat. But it's not about the boat tonight, it's about this. I'll put a link in the notes up there or down here. Absolutely blown away with this, keep saying it. Never thought it'd blow up that. That's just like, even I couldn't blow up that. It'd take me ages to blow it up by breath. This is pretty quick to blow it up, but look at all the air you've got. You know, so, but yeah, keep it to cam beds really. You did have to hold the valve on a bit when it got pressured, because it kept blowing it off because it was too powerful. Get one, tiny pump, brilliant bit of kit.